On problem 38, it wants you to transform a given polar equation to an equation in rectangular coordinates and then identify and graph it. So we're given this equation, r equals 4 times sine of theta. So where do we begin? Well, usually these are some common formulas that we see. We know that x equals r times sine. Sorry, that's y. Y equals r times sine of theta. Another thing is x equals r times cos of theta. And additionally, we have r squared equals x squared plus y squared. Okay, so since we have a sine, let's try to get it with an r so that we can plug a y, change it to a y. So to do that, we need to multiply each side by r. So we have r squared equals 4 times r times sine of theta. Okay, so now that we have r times sine of theta, which is basically this, we can substitute that for y. Additionally, since we have r squared, we can plug x squared plus y squared in, because those are rectangular. So we have x squared plus y squared equals 4 times y. Let's get everything to one side. So we have x squared plus y squared minus 4y equals 0. And wow, when you see this, you should think complete the square. So let's complete the square. We get the negative 4 and divided by 2. We get negative 2 out. Then we square the negative 2 and we get 4. So what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. And now let's factor this. So x squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 4. That is our equation in rectangular coordinates. In rectangular, yeah. Okay, so now, having done conics and stuff, you should look at that and be like, hey, that's a circle. So, knowing that that's a circle, where's our center? Well, since there's no value with the x, the center's at 0 for the x, and then here, take the 2 out, and that becomes a positive 2. So our center's at 0, 2. And if we were to graph this, we would need to know our radius. And our radius can be found by square rooting that number. So our radius is 2. And then the center's at 0, 2. So here's our center. We have a radius of 2. So basically, I know that looks like an ellipse, but it's supposed to be a circle with a radius of 2. Just remember that when you have something like this, whether it's a sine or a cosine, try to get an r with it so that you can then plug x or y in. And that's it.